Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at niches you could make money from. Custom t-shirts. The sales of the t-shirts around the world stays the same throughout the year and the designs are endless. You must have heard Teespring and Redbubble where you design and sell your custom t-shirt but they do the printing and shipping for you. This is great for people who want to earn money online without investment, however you would still need to develop a great marketing strategy to win in this segment. You can design some unique t-shirts and sell them through your own Shopify store. It's another great example of a passive income stream. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.